Ever wondered how the McDonnell Douglas DC-9, an iconic aircraft, came to be? It is indeed a tale of innovation, ambition, and soaring to new heights. In the early 1960s, the aviation industry saw an increasing need for shorter routes that were not economically viable for larger jets. Recognizing this gap, McDonnell Douglas, a renowned American aerospace manufacturer, embarked on a journey to create a twin-engine, single-aisle jetliner that would revolutionize air travel. In a time marked by rapid technological advancements and fierce competition, the DC-9 was conceived. This aircraft was specifically designed to operate on shorter routes, focusing on efficiency, reliability, and performance. With a lower operating cost, shorter runway requirements, and a unique T-tail configuration, the DC-9 promised to be an attractive proposition for airlines. The year was 1965. After years of meticulous planning and intense labor, the DC-9 was ready to make its mark on the world. The world held its breath as the maiden flight took off, marking a significant milestone in aviation history. Delta Airlines, a major American airline, was the first to recognize the potential of the DC-9. They were the first to operate this aircraft, and the DC-9 soon became a workhorse in their fleet. Its ability to efficiently serve smaller markets and airports with shorter runways made it an instant hit. The DC-9 was not just an aircraft, it was a symbol of a new era in aviation. It was a testament to the fact that necessity is the mother of invention. Its popularity during its inception was not merely due to its technical prowess, but was also a reflection of the changing dynamics of air travel. It was the answer to the industry's need for a smaller, more efficient jet that could cater to the growing demand for air travel on shorter routes. And so, the DC-9 took flight, not just in the physical sense, but also in the hearts and minds of people around the world. From design boards to runways, the journey of the DC-9 is one of ambition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. So, there we have it, the birth of a legend, the DC-9. What makes the DC-9 a standout in the world of aviation? Well, let's start with its unique design. The DC-9 is a twin-engine, single-aisle jet airliner. It's known for its T-tail and rear-mounted engine configuration. This might not sound like much, but these design elements are a significant part of what makes the DC-9 so special. The twin-engine design of the DC-9 provides it with a greater thrust-to-weight ratio, which contributes to its impressive performance. The engines, mounted at the rear of the fuselage, reduce noise in the cabin, offering passengers a more comfortable flying experience. They also allow for a cleaner wing structure, which increases the aircraft's aerodynamic efficiency. Now, let's talk about the T-tail. This is where the horizontal stabilizer, or the small wings at the tail of the aircraft, is mounted on top of the vertical stabilizer, forming a T shape. This design offers several advantages. Most notably, it provides better handling characteristics at low speeds and high angles of attack, such as during takeoff and landing. This makes the DC-9 safer and more reliable in these critical phases of flight. In terms of size and capacity, the DC-9 was designed to carry up to 139 passengers, depending on the specific model and seating configuration. It's not the largest aircraft out there, but it was never meant to be. The DC-9 was designed to serve smaller airports with shorter runways, filling a niche in the market that other jet airliners of the time simply couldn't. And let's not forget about the DC-9's range. With a maximum range of over 2,000 miles, the DC-9 could easily connect cities across the country without the need for refueling stops, making it a popular choice for many airlines. In the world of aviation, where efficiency, performance, and safety are paramount, the DC-9's technical brilliance shines. Its unique design and impressive specifications have not only made it a standout aircraft, but also set a benchmark for future aircraft designs. The DC-9's technical prowess truly set a benchmark in the aviation industry. What powered this beast of an aircraft? A question that brings us to the heart of the DC-9, its engines. The DC-9 primarily employed the Pratt & Whitney JT8D turbofan engines, a marvel of engineering that was instrumental in shaping the aircraft's performance. The JT8D engines, with their high bypass ratio, were pioneers in their time, offering significant improvements in noise reduction, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. Their robust design and reliability were a perfect match for the DC-9's need for speed and endurance. These engines were not just about power, they were about delivering that power efficiently. With a cruising speed of over 500 miles per hour and a range of around 1,500 miles, the DC-9 was a force to be reckoned with. Moreover, the JT-8D engines played a key role in making the DC-9 one of the most fuel-efficient aircraft of its era. With such powerful engines, the DC-9 was a true performer in the skies. But like all great inventions, the DC-9 had its share of challenges. Undeniably, the DC-9's legacy is not without its dark moments. Two incidents in particular stand out: the TWA Flight 841 and Southern Airways Flight 242, both of which involved the DC-9, were significant turning points in aviation history. TWA Flight 841, in 1979, was en route from New York to Minneapolis. The aircraft suddenly rolled to the right and began a steep descent. Miraculously, the crew was able to regain control and safely land the plane, but this incident highlighted a critical design flaw in the DC-9's slat system. Then came Southern Airways Flight 242 in April of 1977. A severe thunderstorm caused both engines to flame out, leading to a forced landing on a highway in Georgia. This tragic event brought the dangers of flying through severe weather into sharp focus. But these weren't just moments of tragedy, they were catalysts for change. Following the TWA Flight 841 incident, modifications were made to the DC-9 slat system, enhancing the aircraft's safety. Southern Airways Flight 242's accident led to significant advancements in weather radar technology, making flights safer in adverse weather conditions. In the grand scheme of things, these unfortunate incidents served a purpose. They exposed the flaws in the system and prompted necessary changes, leading to the evolution of safer and more reliable aircraft. These unfortunate incidents led to significant safety enhancements in aviation. The DC-9's legacy isn't limited to just one model. In fact, the McDonnell Douglas DC-9's success led to the creation of various versions, each one designed to cater to unique market needs. These versions included the DC-9 Super 80 and the MD-90. The Super 80, also known as the MD-80, was the first of these variants. It was launched in the late 70s and quickly became a favorite among airlines due to its increased capacity and fuel efficiency. This version was longer and had a higher passenger capacity than the initial DC-9, allowing airlines to accommodate more passengers on popular routes. Then came the MD-90 in the early 90s. This variant was equipped with advanced technology and even more efficient engines, making it a popular choice for airlines looking to modernize their fleets. The MD-90 was also the first DC-9 variant to feature a digital flight deck, a significant leap forward in aircraft technology. Now let's talk about the airlines that flew these remarkable machines. Delta Airlines was one of the biggest operators of the DC-9 and its variants. They operated a fleet of over 120 DC-9 aircraft at their peak, using them for both domestic and international flights. Northwest Airlines was another major user of the DC-9. They appreciated the aircraft's reliability and efficiency, and at one point, they had over 100 DC-9s in their fleet. American Airlines, known for their discerning choice of aircraft, also operated a significant number of DC-9s and Super 80s. They valued the DC-9 for its operational versatility and adaptability, which allowed them to use the aircraft on a wide range of routes. These are just a few examples of the many airlines that have utilized the DC-9 and its variants over the years. The DC-9's versatility and adaptability kept it in service with many airlines for decades, a testament to its enduring design and performance. The DC-9 may have retired, but its legacy lives on. As we trace the lineage of this incredible aircraft, we find its DNA in the newer versions, such as the Boeing 717. This twinjet, a direct descendant of the DC-9, carries forward the pioneering spirit and the robust design principles of its predecessor. The Boeing 717, with its advanced technology, continues to serve the aviation industry with the same dedication and reliability that the DC-9 once did. But it's not just about the Boeing 717. The influence of the DC-9's design can be seen far and wide in the world of aviation. The DC-9's innovative T-tail configuration, its twin rear engines, the sturdy undercarriage, and the meticulously designed fuselage. All these design elements have had a profound influence on the subsequent generations of commercial aircraft. These features not only enhanced the performance of the DC-9, but also set a new standard in aircraft design. The DC-9's legacy is not just about the aircraft it inspired, but also about the principles it stood for: reliability, efficiency, and safety. It taught us that innovation is not just about pushing boundaries, but also about serving the needs of the people and the industry. Even today, the spirit of the DC-9 soars high in the aviation world, leaving an indelible mark on the history of flight.